Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve child custody agreements with family law software, detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to improve child custody agreements using family law software. Start by selecting the right family law software tailored for custody cases. Research various options and read user reviews to find a solution that meets your needs. Once you've chosen a software, download and install it on your device. Familiarize yourself with the software's interface and features. Take advantage of tutorial resources offered by the software for a smoother experience. Begin by creating an account to save your progress and access your files later. Input the necessary information about both parents and the child or children involved. Use the software to draft a clear and comprehensive custody agreement. Incorporate crucial elements such as visitation schedules, decision-making authority, and child support obligations. Utilize templates and legal language provided by the software to ensure your agreement is legally sound. Collaborate with the other parent through the platform if the software allows for shared access. Make sure to review all terms and conditions to avoid any misunderstandings later. Consider using the software's tools for tracking communication and document sharing between both parents. Check for features that allow for modifications as circumstances change over time. Once the draft is complete, send it to a family law attorney for final review. Incorporate any feedback given by the attorney to finalize the agreement. Secure electronic signatures from both parents if the software has this capability to expedite the process. File the finalized custody agreement with the appropriate court to make it legally binding. Keep digital copies of all documents for future reference and updates. Review the agreement periodically to ensure it still meets the children's best interests. Utilize the software's reminders and alerts to stay on top of any important deadlines or updates. By following these steps, you can enhance your child custody agreement process efficiently and effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.